I made some fully 3D printed tires for the 60-mile-an-hour RC car you just saw fly by. Let's see if they'll hold up. Additionally, I also made some 3D printed rims with store-bought tires to see how they compare. But I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit here, so let's just start with how I made these. So the first thing I did was just to hop on printables, look for some nice RC rims, and then once I found one I liked, I started a test print on my Prusa MK4S. The part turned out nicely, only issue, it was unfortunately rubbing on the arm of my car. That meant a redesign was needed, and to do this, I cut part of the inside out. Time to try again. The new and improved rims fit on the car extremely well, and now all that was left to do was to make these TPU tires. So I went into my CAD software and designed a pretty simple tire, and then I'm gonna be printing it out in this super flexible and rubbery TPU filament that I have, which should work great, right? Let's try this! Let's glue them on now. After mounting and gluing the tires to the rims, it was time to put them on the RC car, and just check out how awesome they look.
Bruh.
Ja, den rijdt net maat zien stellen.
Dude, the tire's over here. Car is all the way over there. Oh my god. Alright, so I'ma just be honest here. That didn't really work all that well. Because even though the TPU that I made these tires from is pretty supple and soft, it's just a lot less grippy than, for example, the rubber on these store-bought tires here. So that basically makes it suitable only for drifting, which is kind of fun, but the goal in this video is to go fast. So this is not gonna work. Now here's my solution to this problem, just watch. So, because the fully 3D printed tires are only really good for drifting, I've decided to make 4 more rims with the use of these store-bought tires. And that way you save some money on the rims, and they also look, again, pretty damn sick. Check it out. Alright, and with that, I think it's time to go speedrunning with these and try to hit 60 miles an hour. Let's go! That was 75 kilometers an hour already. Oh my god. This is gonna be fast. Again, that was just a blip on the throttle. I don't know if we can run 100% on this very narrow road. It's a bit sketchy. That was 83.5 kilometers an hour. That's already very good. Let's turn it up to 100%. This is gonna be way too fast for this super narrow road. That was a little quicker now. 85 for 3D printed tires, that's already pretty damn good. That was really quick. I would be guessing that was over 90. (93.6). 93.6 kilometers an hour on these 3D printed rims, and that is almost 60 miles an hour, and I bet it has 60 miles an hour in it. I just do not know if I can pull it on this road. I really hope I don't break this thing today. Let's see what speed we got. 97.5 kilometers an hour. I think that is the 60 mile an hour mark right there. I'll put the conversion on the screen. I want to try going for 100 kilometers an hour though. That's my goal for this video. Oh my god, that was so scary. That wasn't even full throttle, but it freaking spun out a little bit there. (90.6). Huh? So that was slower. Huh, that felt a lot quicker. Well, time to try again. The battery is limiting us a bit now. Oh, 101 kilometers an hour. That's amazing. 101 kilometers an hour. That's amazing. We just hit 101 kilometers an hour on these 3D printed tires here. So with that, back to the studio. A 101 kilometers an hour on these 3D printed rims. That is just amazing. And I think that was just the GPS turning off, which I meant to keep on. Let's see. Yep, it still says right there 101 kilometers an hour. That is just amazing. And now I know that the original plan of the video wasn't to make just 3D printed rims with the store-bought tires, but instead to make some fully 3D printed ones. And as you can see, I tried gluing some rubber on them, which didn't really work either. The rubber just came off, but whatever. So even though we had an initial failure in this video, I still think this project was a really good success. Because even though these fully 3D printed ones here, they failed, they just didn't have enough grip. Even though those failed, it led me to creating these 3D printed rims with the store-bought tires on them that just performed amazingly. And like this, you get a lot cheaper tires as well, because these outer sleeves here can be purchased on AliExpress for like $5. And they come with these white disc rims normally, which are just plain ugly. And this way, with 3D printing the rim, you can get a pretty awesome looking, super cheap tires. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing this more often. Now, if you're interested in RC stuff and 3D printed RC stuff in general especially, then I highly recommend watching, for example, my 3D printed RC hovercraft video, in which I built a fully custom and fully 3D printed, well, apart from the electronics and everything, obviously, RC hovercraft, which turned out really nice. It was a total success. It drives just awesome. It's so much fun. So yeah, I highly suggest you check that out now. So as for this video, that'll be it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know about your thoughts about these rims here and also about the failed fully 3D printed ones. Maybe you have a suggestion on how I could improve it or something, I don't know. I appreciate all the comments, I read them all, and I try to answer all of them as best I can. So if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.